Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn how to record a video response in Flipgrid. If you need help finding Flipgrid and signing in, go back to our classroom page and watch the video called How to Sign In to Flipgrid. So let's get started here on our home page. We can see the list of any classes that you are in. Today we're going to click on Mrs. Loeb's class. Here you'll see our class page. We're going to scroll down until you see the different discussion topics. Today we'll be clicking on the topic Summer Fun. Now that we're in the Summer Fun discussion page, you can see the directions here at the top. You can read them yourself, or if you want Flipgrid to read to you, you can go up here to the top right corner. There's a small button that looks like a picture of a book with a speaker. If you click on it, it opens the reader. Here we can have Flipgrid read to us. Let's press the green play button to get started.
Summer fun. What did you do this summer? Tell us all about your summer vacation. Who did you spend time with? Did you go to school or camp during the summer? What did you enjoy doing?
Sometimes when you're listening to the directions, you might hear a word that you don't understand. You can click on the word to see a picture of the word's meaning. Let's try clicking on the word enjoy. See how the people in the picture are happy and look like they're having a party? The word enjoy is talking about when something makes you feel happy. So this question is asking us, what did we enjoy doing this summer? What made us happy? Now, let's click the back arrow at the top corner to go back to the discussion page. Take some time to think about the question. If you need to hear it again, you can click that reader button in the corner. When you're ready to share your answer to the question, you're going to click the blue Add Response button. Let's click it now. Hello! This is the video recording page. We're ready to record our answer to the question. Before we start recording, let's look at some of these buttons at the bottom of the page. Let's click on the little magic wand that says Effects. Here you can choose different special things to add to your video. For now, we're just going to look at stickers. You can check the rest of these things later on your own. When you click on stickers, a menu opens up with all different stickers that you can add to your video. Since we're talking about what we enjoyed doing over the summer, something that made us feel happy, I think I'm going to add a big smiley happy face to my video. I clicked on it and now it's right here in the middle, covering up my face. Let's move it over to the side. Awesome. Now, next to this effects button, there's another button called backdrops. These backdrops are really helpful if you're in a messy room or if you just don't want anyone to see what's behind you. They also are just fun to make it look like you're somewhere else. You can click a backdrop and it will put the picture behind you, covering up all the other things behind you. It takes a minute to load. Let's see. Oh, this one's working a little funny today, but that's the idea. I think I'm going to turn off the backdrop and just record with my regular room behind me. Great, now we're ready to record. So to begin recording, we're going to press the big circle button here at the bottom of the page. Hello! I'm here to answer my question about summer fun. This summer, I got to watch lots of cool movies with my kids. My favorite was Encanto. While you're recording, you'll see this blue line moving across the screen. That line shows how much more time you have to finish your video. If this line turns red, then you're almost out of time and you need to finish talking. To stop the recording, we're going to press this red button. We can start again where we left off by pressing the circle button again. Now I can keep talking and it's recording me. If you want to start over because you didn't really like what you were talking about or you changed your mind, you can press this retake button over here on the side. When you're completely done recording, you're going to press the blue next button. Hello! This screen is great because it lets you watch your video before you turn it in for everyone to see. You can take the time to watch it, and if you don't like what it looks like, or if you want to add more, you can press this plus sign to go back to the video recorder. After watching your video, if you decide you like it and you're ready to turn it in, we're going to hit the blue next button. Before we share our video with the class, you have the choice to add some words to tell everyone about what your video is talking about. Here you can type a caption, sort of like a title for your video. I'm going to write, "Hello from Miss Loeb." Now I can hit Post to Topic. It'll take a minute to upload. When the bar goes all the way across, that means your video is ready for everyone to see. We can hit Go to Topic. Right now, when we look at this topic, you'll notice my video's not there. That's because I need to refresh the page. Up at the top is this little circle with an arrow that means reload this page. Click on that button, and then you'll be able to see your video. Next time, we're going to talk about how to watch our friends' videos and comment on them so we can tell our friends what we think. See you later.